before.
Yeah.
And I got a camera on here watching for shit like that. Just be careful. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, man. I apologize about that, man. You okay, bro?
Yeah.
Hey. Hey.
But be safe for real.
Okay.
I mean, let this be gotta help yourself both from it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
That would have hurt you, okay?
Yeah, man. I'm sorry about that, bro. You have a good day, man.
You too.
Okay.
I think I'm all good.
Show me how to do exactly what you do. I fell in love with you. Oh, it's true. Oh,